Hey guys, this is Prithvipal Singh. Welcome to the Go introduction video. We will understand very basic concepts of Go as part of this video. We will cover Go code structure by using Hello World program. We will understand package, we will import the package, we will see how to export the names. We will also introduction. We also give introduction to variable declaration. And finally, we will end this video by understanding functions. So let's first create a simple program which will print hello world in the console. So let me just create a file hello world.go. Please note that Go program has Go extension. Go program must start with main function, and that main function must be in main package. So let me just declare package which has name as main, and Go syntax doesn't end with semicolon, so we don't need to put semicolon at the end of the syntax. Once we have declared the package, we can import packages. We can import inbuilt package, or we can import or custom packages. So for now, we don't have any in custom packages. So I will import inbuilt package. The name is FMT. So name is FMT. This FMT package is used to print on console. We will use this package to print something on console. Okay, and after that we can write a function declaration. So function declaration start with func keyword, name of the function, and list of parameter in the brackets, and return type. So main function doesn't accept any parameter and doesn't return anything, so it has blank parenthesis and nothing returns. Also, and the body of the function, please note that the start curly bracket must be first line, end of the first line. We cannot put at the new line, it is compilation error. Then I can write here fmt dot println and say hello world, and I can run this program by go run name of the file. So name of the file is hello world.go. So it prints hello world on the console. This is very simple program. We have package, main package, we have imported fmt package, and we have main function, and main function will have only simple hello world statement. Now coming back to pack import statement, we can have multiple import over here. So I can import new time. So I'm importing time here. When I run this program, please note the output. It doesn't print anything, it doesn't print output on the console, rather it prints error. So imported but not used. Please note that in Go we we do not get warning if we have something which is unused, whether it is package or variable declaration. If we declare variable or import a package, we must use it. If we don't use it, we get a compilation error saying imported but not used, like over here. So we must use if we are declaring. We can also skip by blank identifier. We will discuss a different video. And since we have multiple imports, we don't need to write import keyword every time. We can group them into brackets. This is called factored imports. So we have multiple imports package fmt and time, and we don't need to write every time import keyword. we can group them in the brackets. So for now we don't need uh, time package, so I will remove from here. So till now we have covered code, basic code structure of Go program. We have covered packages, we have covered import, and we have exports. So exports is like a public in other C++ in Java. So export export is exported variable or names can be used in different packages. So you can see here I'm using println function of fmt package in the main package. So these are two different packages. Even if I am able to use the println function, so to import any name, whether it is variable or function, we need to start that name with capital letter. So P is capital, that is the reason it is exported and I'm able to use in main package. This is export function. And variable declaration. Variable declaration is very critical, very important in the Go language. Declaration of variable in Go is start with where keyword, then name of the variable and type of the variable and initialization. Okay, this is the syntax of declaring any variable in Go language. So let me just declare a variable where name of the variable is a and type is int. There are certain data type in Go. We will not discuss those data typing over here. We'll have separate video for that. And for now I will skip the initialization part. So if I skip initialization, it will assign, Go will assign default value for that data type into the variable. So data type is integer, it will assign 0 to a. Now I'm declaring second variable b of type boolean. Now let's see what are the values for this variable. So let me just declare these two variables after hello world statement. Now let me just print those variable fmt dot println, let's say a comma b. Let's see what output we get after we run this program. So we are getting 0 and false, 0 for boolean, sorry, integer, and false for the boolean value. Then we can assign the new value by equal to and the value. So I'm assigning 10 to a. Now I want to change this for the purpose of this program. I'm changing into the integer and assigning 20 to here. Now if I print the value, I see 10 and 20. Okay, so if we assign a value, we can skip, we can omit this type. So no, if I don't mention the type here, I will not get a compilation error, rather it will assign value to the variable because Go language is inferred language. Please note that it is inferred language but not dynamically typed. It is statically typed but inferred. Go will infer the type of the variable by the value of whatever the value we assign to it. Doesn't change the, the type, we assign something new. It will give the compilation error. So even though I have removed the type declaration, I'm getting the proper value 10 and 20. Okay, there is one more way to declare a variable, that is called shortcut. So colon equal to an a plus b. So don't need to write where keyword while declaring C, because I am using colon and equal to, so it will infer the type of this variable by result of this. So result of this is integer, so it will infer type of C as integer, and if I print that result C, I will get 30. You can see 10, 20 and 30. 30 is value for C. So this is shortcut initialization. Please note that we cannot use this declaration outside of the function. It is only valid within a function. If I put this declare, sorry, so like if declare this kind of variable above this function, let's say d colon equal to 40, I'll get a compilation error. So see what we get. So non-declaration statement outside function body. So we cannot use shortcut initialization or shortcut declaration outside the function. So now one more thing we need to understand, that we can declare multiple variable in single line. So I can declare b for year. I can comment this line and it will assign. So I can say int. So let's say what we get here, a, so where a comma b of type int. So see what we get. So let me just assign some values. Now let's see what we get. Now 10 and 20 are assigned to a and b respectively. Okay, so a and b are having 10 and 20 here. Okay, now this is variable declaration. So we have seen how to declare variable using where, and how to initialize this value. We can skip type if we initialize the value. We can skip where if we use shortcut variable declaration, but this syntax is not allowed outside of the function. Okay, now we are good to go. So we have covered variable declaration. Now we need to understand function. So we already declared main function, but we need to understand more detail. So let's just create new function where in which we will add two variable. We will pass two variable and it will result. It will add those variable and print the result in the console. The same function. So let's declare new variable func add. It takes two arguments. I will just copy this statement from here and put in the function, and we put that into the function. Sorry, and I don't use this, not doing this thing, and I'll copy this part here and int. So the function add takes two arguments, one is a and second is b, and it adds two value and assigned to c and printing c on the console. Okay, so now we need to call this function from main function. So we pass add 20 and 40. So I'm calling add function by passing 20 to a and 40 to b. Let's see what output we get. If we are getting 60, that is correct. So 20 plus 40 is 60, and we are painting over here is 60. Now we have understood how to declare function, how to pass the value. Now we need to understand how to return a value. So here, instead of printing c in the same function, we will return that c and we will print value in the main function. So I'll declare int. Now I'll comment this line again, and I'll say return C, and now I will catch this, get that value into main function, say C colon equal to, as a C I'll say result colon equal to. Now I'll print fmt dot println and result. Let's see what output we get. Now we are getting the result, the main function. Now this is return type, so we have understood how to pass, how to return. Now there is a name return. We can declare here that what variable we need to return here. So I can say C, and I will return C after end of this function. So let me just print something, fmt dot println. I'm saying adding two values. Now I'm say just copy this line and say returning value. So I'm saying here that this function will return the value C. Now I don't need to mention C here, I'll say just C. Now see what output we get. Now no variable on left hand side of this, so C is already declared over here, so I don't need to say colon equal to. Now run this again and see the output. Now you can see hello world in the main function, then I call this function, and after within this function I'm printing, adding two values, then returning two values, and finally return C, and C is getting printed the main function. Okay, so that is good. Now we can, we will see one more important thing. We can return multiple value from the function. So one function can return multiple values. So func, so I'll just do the same thing. Just okay, I'll just do a new function, func swap int aint bint and say int comma int. This function will return b comma a. Now see what we get in the main function. So I don't need to print add, I'll comment it out, just fmt dot println pass 10 comma 20, see the output. Sorry, I made a mistake, sorry. I just pass value, this value to swap function. Now we need to see the output. Now you can see the value is swapped. So I passed a and b as a 10 and 20, and I returned the reverse. So I'm printing those value in the println while passing it. So that's it from introduction video. We'll see, we'll go, I'll create more video on advanced concepts of Go language. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.